Hello and welcome to Yandles. Today we're going to be talking to you about the brand new chucks from the Record Power SC series, the SC1 and the SC2. Let's take a closer look. First up then is the SC1, the new smallest mini chuck from the Record Power range. It still has 4-jaw action, can still work with a key on the same scrolling action as the SC3 and SC4. And also, like the SC4 and unique to a chuck of this size, it takes a threaded insert on the back, which are exactly the same size as the ones from the SC4. So if you already have a Record Power SC4, you can take the insert out and put it in here, or if you don't, there would be a slight extra cost to the chuck of around about £15, and you can put the insert in that matches the thread style of your lathe, meaning that you don't have to use adapters on a mini chuck. The initial kit comes with a set of 4 dovetail jaws. These are closer to 40mm than 50, a woodworm screw, a unique key for adjusting the scrolling action, and also your fixing kit. It also includes the little leather washer to enable you to use this chuck in reverse as well. The SC2 is slightly larger, which allows it to take a larger capacity of timber in there, but this is a direct thread and currently only available on M33 by 3.5, so if you wanted to use it with other sizes you would need an adapter. This also comes with your set of 4 jaws for your dovetail jaws at 40mm, a woodworm screw, again a unique key chuck which is not interchangeable with the SC1, your set of fixing screws, and also your grub screw and your little leather washer to allow it to go into reverse. As well as releasing the SC1 and the SC2, they've released a set of 3 jaws and a faceplate ring that are interchangeable between the 2 chucks. The jaws suitable for the SC3 and SC4 will not fit the SC1 and the SC2, but as these are smaller chucks meant for lighter weight duties such as pens and finials and other things, they have released a small faceplate ring so you can expand the jaws that come with the chuck into that for mounting your smaller bowl work. They have also included a set of pen jaws, so a slightly smaller version of the standard currently available on the SC3 and SC4, and they do also have fixings on the inside here so it is easy to make sure that they're not going to come loose. They have a set of pin jaws which are fairly obvious. They go down quite small. They also have a set of almost 0 jaws which are allowing you to get right in behind your pieces without worrying about your knuckles getting wrapped by a sharper surface or your tool fouling on the jaws. Well, there you have the SC1 and the SC2 by Record Power. They are currently due for release in March 2020. We have them on pre-order on our website. I'll put the link in the description below. If there are any other products you would like us to review or anything else you want to know about these products, you can either contact us directly or speak about it in the comments below this video as well. Please leave a like and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.